Find the equation of the line given the following properties. Number 1. Passing through the points ordered pair 3 and 5 and ordered pair 4 and 9. So, solution. Given our point 1 ordered pair 3, 5, our x sub 1 here is equal to 3 and our y sub 1 is equal to 5. And our point 2, point 2 is ordered pair 4, 9. So, our x sub 2 is equal to 4 and our y sub 2 is equal to 9. Using the 2-point formula, therefore, this is the formula, y is equal to y sub 1 over x minus x sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 is equal to x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Y minus our y sub 1 is 5 and x minus our x sub 1 is 3, and here our y sub 2 is 9 and our y sub 1 is 5. 9 minus 5 over 4 minus 3. So, y minus 5 over x minus 3, cross multiply. So, 9 minus 5 is equal to 4 and 4 minus 3 is equal to 1. So, cross multiply. So, here is the answer of this. Y times y is equal to y, and y times negative 5 is equal to negative 5 is equal to 4 times x is equal to 4x, and 4 times negative 3 is equal to negative 12. Negative 4x, therefore negative 4x plus y is equal to 5 plus 12 is equal to 0. And negative 4x plus, negative 4x plus y plus 7 is equal to 0. So, for to become the negative 4 to become positive, so we must to multiply to negative 1. So, negative 1 times negative 4x equal to positive 4. Then, negative 1 plus y is equal to negative y, and negative 1 plus times negative positive 7 equal to negative 7, and then 1 to positive to 0 times is equal to 0. So, this is the general equation for x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. Solve the value of y in terms of x to express the general equation to slope in the surf form. So, for x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0 is equal to, put on the negative y is equal to negative x, the positive 4x to become to negative 4x plus 7, and multiply to negative 1. So, the positive y to become negative y to become to positive y. And then, negative 4x times negative 1 equals to 4x, while negative 1 times positive 7 equals to negative 7. So, the equation is already in the form of y is equal to slope x plus b. Hence, the slope is 4 and the y-intercept is negative 7. Number 2. Passing through the point ordered pair 1 and 3 and positive 6 and positive 7. So, here's the solution. Given point 1 ordered pair 1 and 3, so our x sub 1 is positive 1 and our y sub 1 is 3. Our point 2 is ordered pair of 6, 7. So, our x sub 2 is 6 and y sub 2 is equal to 7. Using the 2-point formula, hence y minus y sub 1 over x minus x sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Y minus 3 over x minus 1 is equal to 7 minus 1 over 6 minus 3, and y 7 minus 1 is equal to 4 and 6 minus 3 is equal to 5. Therefore, y minus 3 cross multiply of 4 over 5. Therefore, 5 times 4 y is equal to 5y, and 5 times negative 3 is equal to negative 15 is equal to 4 times x equal to 4x, and 4 times negative 1 is equal to negative 4. Negative 4x plus 5y negative 15 plus 4 is equal to 0. So, this is the same sila. So, we have to add. So, negative 15 plus 4. So, is equal to negative 11. Therefore, the negative 4x to become to positive, we must to multiply to negative 1. So, negative 1 times negative 4 equals 4x. Negative 1 times positive 5 is equal to negative 5y. And negative 1 times negative 11 is become to positive 11 is equal to 0. So, this is the general equation. Play ha?
Sige.
Okay. Yeah. Equate the left side to 0 to express the line in its general form. So, 5x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. So, this is our general equation. I know. Solve the value of y in terms of x to express the general equation to slope-intercept form. So, 4x minus 5y plus 11 is equal to 0 and negative 5y. So, to divide, get LCD to the negative 5. So, cancel out. So, y ang nabilin and negative 4x minus 11 over negative 5. Therefore, negative 4x divide negative 5 equals negative 4x over negative 5 minus positive 11 over negative 5. So, this y is equal to 4 over 5x plus 11 over 5. The equation is already in the form of y is equal to slope x plus b. Hence, the value of slope is 4 over 5 and the y-intercept is 11 over 5. Number 3. Passing through the points ordered pair of negative points negative 2 and 4 and positive 5 and negative 3. So, here's the solution. Given points 1 ordered pair of negative 2 and 4. So, our x sub 1 is equal to negative 2 and our y sub 1 is positive 4. And our points 2 is ordered pair of 5 and negative 3. Our x sub 2 here is 5 and our y sub 2 is negative 3. Using the 2 points formula, we have y minus y sub 1 over x minus x sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Y minus 4 is equal to over x minus open parentheses negative 2 is equal to negative 3 minus 4 over 5 minus negative 2. And then y minus 4 over x plus 2 is equal to negative 7 over 7. So, the positive 2 niya is here. Negative 1 times negative 2 is equal to positive 2. And y minus 4 over x plus 2 is equal to negative 1. And y minus 4 is equal to negative 1 times x plus 2 cross multiplication. So, y minus 1 is equal to negative 1 times x equal to negative x, and negative 1 times positive 2 is equal to negative 2, and x plus y minus 4 plus 2 is equal to 0, and x plus y, negative 4 plus 2 is equal to negative 2 is equal to 0. So, this is the general equation. Solve the value of y in the terms of x to express the general equation to solve the slope-intercept form. X plus y minus 2 is equal to 0. So, y equals minus x plus negative x plus 2. So, the equation is already in the form of y is equal to slope x plus b. Therefore, the value of slope is negative 1 and the y-intercept is 2. Passing through the point, number 4, passing through the point ordered pair of 16 and 10 and with the slope of 5. Solution. Given point ordered pair of 16 and 10, so our x sub 1 is 16, our y sub 1 is 10, and our slope is 5. Using the formula of point slope to get the general equation, y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1, and y minus 10 is equal to 5 times x minus 16. Y minus 5 is equal to 5 times x equals to 5x, and 5 times negative 16 is equal to negative 80. And y minus 5x minus 80 plus 10. So, the same sila. Pwede pa sila i-add. Negative 10, negative 80 plus 10 is equal to y minus 5x minus 70. So, this is the slope intercept form. So, therefore, our slope is 5 and our y-intercept or our b is equal to 70. And now, I'll equate the left side to 0 to express the line in general form. So, 5x minus y minus 7 is equal to 0. So, this is our general equation. Number 5. Passing through the point of negative 6 and 3 and with the slope of 2 over 7. So, here's the solution. Given point 1 of negative 6 and 3, so our x sub 1 is negative 6 and our y sub 1 is equal to positive 3. And our slope is 2 over 7. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1. Y minus negative 3 is equal to 2 over 7 times x minus negative 6. Y plus 3 is equal to 2 over 7, open parenthesis, of x plus 6. So, get the LCD of this, and the LCD of this is 7. Therefore, 7 times y is equal to 7y, and 7 times plus positive 3 is equal to positive 21 is equal to 7 times 2 over 7x is equal to 2x. Cancel here the 7. So, bilhin ang 2x. And this is the 7 over 7 is equal to 12. 12. Therefore, 7y is equal to 2x plus 12 minus 21. Therefore, divide into 7, cancel out, bilhin ang y. So, 2x minus 9 over 7. Therefore, 2x over 7 minus 9 over 7. This is the slope-intercept form. Equate the left side to 0 to express the line in its general form. So, y is equal to 2 over 7x minus 9 over 7. Therefore, multiply into 7, cancel out, and bilhin ang negative 2x plus 7y and plus 9. Therefore, cancel out. To become the positive, our first is negative. To become a positive, we multiply to negative 1. Therefore, 2x minus 7y minus 9 is equal to 0. So, 2x minus 7y minus 9 is equal to 0 is our general equation. Number 6. Passing through the point 8 and 2 and with a slope of negative 3. Solution. So, here's the given. Point of 8 and 2, our x sub 1 is positive 8 and our y sub 1 is positive 2 and our slope is negative 3. Formula of point slope. Y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times open parenthesis of x minus x sub 1. And y minus 2 is equal to negative 3 open parenthesis of x minus 8. So our x sub 1 here is 8. So i-transfer into na siya, pang-ilisa na siya because this is our formula. Y minus 2 is equal to negative 3 times x equal to negative 3x and negative 3 times negative 8 is equal to positive 24. Therefore, y is equal to negative 3x plus 24 plus 2. So, 24 plus 2 is equal to 26. So, y minus is equal to negative 3x plus 26, our slope-intercept form. And our slope is equal to negative 3 and our b is equal to 26. So, y is equal to negative 3x plus 26. Therefore, our 3x plus y minus 26 is equal to 0 is our general equation. Number 7. The slope is 6 in the y-intercept. Y-intercept is 5. Solution. So, here's the solution. Our given slope is equal to 6 and our b is equal to 5. Formula, y is equal to slope x plus b, so y is equal to 6x plus 5, our slope-intercept form. Therefore, the general equation is y is equal to 6x plus 5 in transfer to move into the general equation. So the positive 6x is become to negative 6x plus y minus 5 is equal to 0. So negative man siya, therefore we find nga ma-positive siya. So we multiply it into positive negative 1. So therefore negative 1 times negative 6 is equal to positive 6x, and negative 1 times positive y is equal to negative y, and negative 1 times negative 5 equal to positive 5 is equal to 0. So 6x minus y plus 5 is equal to 0 is our general equation. This is our general equation. Number 8. The slope is in the y-intercept is 5. The solution. Given m is equal to 3 over 8, and formula is y is equal to mx plus b is equal to 4 over 5. And y is equal to 3 over 8x plus 4 over 5. This is the slope-intercept form. So the general equation, y is equal to 3 over 8x plus 4 over 5 to move into the right side to become negative. So negative 3 over 8x plus y minus 4 over 5 is equal to 0. To get the GCD, therefore LCD is the 40. So multiply to 40. So 40 times negative 30 is 3 is equal to negative 120 over 8x plus 40y is equal to 160 minus 5 is equal to 0. So negative 15x to multiply into negative 1 to become positive. Therefore, positive x, negative 40, and positive 32 is equal to 0. So this is our general equation. Number 9. The x-intercept is 3 and the y-intercept is 1. Solution, our x-intercept is 3 and y-intercept is 7. Well, using the intercept formula, we have x over a plus y over b is equal to 1, where a is equal to x-intercept and b is equal to y-intercept. So x over 3 plus y over 7 is equal to 1, and find the LCD. Our LCD is 21, therefore 21 over 3 plus 21y over 7 is equal to 21. 7x plus 3y is equal to 21. So our general equation is 7x plus 3y minus 21 is equal to 0. Number 10. The line passing through ordered pair of 5 and 0 and 0 and negative 6. So is the solution given point 1 is 5 and 0, so x sub 1 is 5 and the y sub 1 is 0. Point 2 sub 2 is 0 and negative 6, or x sub 2 is 0 and our y sub 2 is negative 6. 2-point formula. Y minus y sub 1 over x minus x sub 1 is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. Over of y minus 0 over x minus 5 is equal to negative 6 minus 0 over 0 minus 5. And y over x minus 5 is equal to negative 6 over negative 5. And y over x minus 0 and 6, positive 6 over positive 5. Therefore, cross multiply, 5 times y is equal to 5y, and 6 times x equals 0, and 5 is equal to 30. So, the positive is become positive 6s, it become to negative 6s, so we want to multiply to negative 1 to become positive. So therefore, negative 6s equal to positive 6x minus 5y minus 30 is equal to 0. Over 5y to cancel out, So we we put the denominator into negative 5 to cancel out na mabilin si y. So cancel out si negative 5, bilin si y, and then negative 6x over negative 5 plus 30 over negative 5. So the final is y is equal to 6 over 5x minus divide siya, may mo siyang negative 6. This equation is already in the form of y is equal to slope x plus b, and this implies that the value of the slope is 6 over 5 and the y-intercept is negative 6. So test 2. Express the following equation to y sub y is equal to mx plus b. Identify the slope x-intercept and y-intercept. Number 1. 3x minus y minus 16 is equal to 0. So solution. Negative 4y over to cancel out para mabilin si y. So our denominator is 4, negative 4. So cancel out, bilin si y, and 3x minus 4 plus 16 over negative 4. So y is equal to 3 over 4 x plus 4, and this is our slope intercept form. So for y is equal to 0, y is equal to 3 over x minus 4. So if our y is 0, so 3 over 4x minus y, so move into here to become positive and multiply it into 4. So 16 over 3 and 3x cancel out and divide into 3. So cancel para mabilin si x, we put to the denominator of positive 3. So cancel. So mabilin si x, then 16. So our x is 16 over 3. For x is equal to 0, or y is equal to 3 over 4x minus 4. So y is equal to 3 over 4 of 0 minus 4. Therefore, 4 is equal to 0 over 4 minus 4, and y is equal to 0 minus 4. So 0 divided 4 is equal to 0, and y is equal to negative 5. Therefore, the slope x-intercept is 16 over 3 and y-intercept is negative 4. So our slope is 3 over 4 and y-intercept is negative 4. And next of this, number 2. 4x plus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. Solution. 4x plus 5y plus 10 is equal to 0. So 5y is equal to 4x minus 10. Para mabilin si y, so the denominator is 5. Cancel out. So y. So negative 4x over 5 minus 10 over 5. So y is equal to negative 4 over 5x minus 2. This is our slope intercept form. Therefore, for y is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 4 over 5x minus 2. So if our y is 0 is equal to 4 over 5x minus 2. So multiply into 5 or LCD. So 5 times 2 is equal to 10. And 4x over 4. So divide into this. So becomes 5. Or so our x is equal to negative 5 over 2. For x is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 4 over 5x minus 2. So y is equal to negative 4 over 5 times 0 minus 2. Y is equal to negative 0 over 5 minus 2. Therefore, our y is equal to 0 minus 2, and the final is y is equal to negative 2. Therefore, the x-intercept is negative 5 over 2 and y-intercept is negative 2. Therefore, our slope is negative 4 over 5 and y-intercept is negative 2. Number 3, 7x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. Solution. 7x plus 6y minus 12 is equal to 0. So, 6y, para ma-cancel siya, kuha sa, i-divide natin siya 6, so cancel out. So bilin si y is equal to 7x over 6 plus 12 over 6, and y is equal to negative 7 over 6x plus 2, our slope-intercept form. Therefore, our slope is negative 7 over 6, and y-intercept is positive 2. For y is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 7 over 6x plus 2. So our y is 0. 0 is equal to negative 7 over 6x plus 2. And get the LCD. So the LCD is 6. 6 is equal to 12. Is equal to 7x, and therefore divide into cancel siya. So nabilin si negative 7x, so 7x i-divide siya negative 7 para mabilin si x, so cancel out. Therefore our x is equal to 12 over 7, or for x is equal to 0, y is equal to negative 7 of x, 6x plus 2, and y is equal to 7 negative 7 over 6 times 0 plus 2. And 7 is equal to negative 0 over 6 plus 2. Therefore, y is equal to 0 plus 2, and our y is equal to 2. Our x-intercept is 12 over 7, and our y-intercept is 2. Number 4. 1 over 2x minus 2 over 7y plus 2/3 is equal to 2/5. So, here's the solution. 1 over 2x minus 2 over 7y plus 2/3 is equal to 2/5. Y over 2x minus 2 over 7y is equal to negative 2/3 plus 2/5. 1 over 2x negative 2/7y is equal to negative 10 plus 6 over 15. Get the LCD. And then 1 over 2x minus 2 over 7y is equal to 4 over 15. To get the LCD, so 210. Therefore, negative 420 is equal to 7y is equal to 210 over 2x plus 840 over 15 is equal to, i-divide na siya, pag-divide mo siya, therefore, 60y is equal to negative 105x minus 56. So cancel, para ma-cancel siya, mabiling si y. So i-divide siya 60, cancel out. So bilin si y, and then 105 divided to 60, so 7 divided 4 over x plus 14 over 5. So this is the slope-intercept form. So our slope is 7 over 4, and our our y-intercept is 14 over 5, and our b is 14 over 5, and our y-intercept is 210. For y is equal to 0, y is equal to 7 over 4x plus 14 over 15. So 0 is equal to 7 over 4x plus 14 over 15. To get the LCD, 60. So multiply this to become negative 840 over 15 is equal to 420 over 4x. Negative 56 over 105 is equal to 105x. Cancel ni siya. So bilin si x. Therefore, our x is negative 8 over 15. For x is equal to 0, y is equal to 7 over 4x plus 14 over 15. Y is equal to 7 over 4 times 0 plus 14 over 15. Our y is equal to 0 over 4 plus 14 over 15, and y is equal to 0 plus 14 over 15. So the answer is for y is equal to 14 over 15. So our x-intercept is equal to negative 8 over 15, and our y-intercept is negative 14 over 15. Number 5. 4 over 5x plus 2y is equal to 3/5. So here's the solution. 4 over 5x plus 2y is equal to 3 over 5, and 2 to cancel, para mabilis si y, divide di siya. 2y cancel out is equal to negative 4/5 x plus 3/5 over 2. So, muna siya ang result. Therefore, y is equal to negative 4x and 10, then 3. So, C niya is 10. So, y is equal to negative 225 over 5 plus 3 over 10. So, this is the slope form. And m is equal to negative 2/5, and our y-intercept is equal to 3 over 10. And now, for learning activity 2, equation of parallel and perpendicular line. So first test, determine whether the given pair of equation are graphed parallel, the perpendicular, or neither parallel or nor perpendicular given pair of equation, and label them. So number 1, 5x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. 5y plus 4y plus 10 is equal to 0. Solution. Find the slope of line 1. 5x plus 4y minus 12 is equal to 0. So 4y is equal to 4, 5x plus 12. So divide to 4, cancel out, bilhin si y is equal to negative 5x over 4 plus 12 over 4. And y is equal to negative 5 over 4x plus 12 over 4. Therefore, our slope 1 is equal to negative 5 over 4, and our b is equal to number 3. And find the slope of number second line is 5x plus 4y plus 8 is equal to 0. So 4y is equal to negative 5x, negative 4x, divide, cancel out, bilhin si y, 4, negative 5x over 4 minus 8 over 4, and y is equal to negative 5 over 4x minus 2. So our second slope is negative 5 over 4, and our b is negative 2. The slope of the first and the second line are equal. This implies that the two equation. So this is the graph of the first given question. So the 0 of negative 2. So this is the point. So mani siya. And then the line of y is equal to negative 5 over 4x plus 3. So this is the line of 1 of positive of the y. Kasi this is the second line. So this is the graph of the given question number 1. Number 2. 2x plus y minus 3 is equal to 0, and x minus 2y plus 15 is equal to 0. Solution. Find the slope of first line. So 2x plus 4y plus y minus 3 equal to 0. Y is equal to 2x plus 3, so our slope first is negative 2, and our b is positive 3. Find the slope of second line. X minus 2y plus 15 is equal to 0. So negative 2y is equal to negative x minus 15, divide to negative 2, cancel out, bilhin si y, x over 2 plus 15 over 2. So y is equal to 1 over 2x plus 15 over 2. Therefore, our slope is 1/2, and our b is 15 over 2. The slope of the first line is negative 2, while the second line is 1/2. This shows that the two equations are perpendicular. Perpendicular means that the two slopes of the equation are opposite of, or if we are going to multiply, the result is always equal to negative 1. So this is the graph of question number 2. So this is the line of y is equal to 2x plus 3, and this is the line of y is equal to 1/2 x plus 15 over 2. And next, number 3. 4x plus 2y is equal to 4x plus 2y is equal to 16 plus 8x plus 2y is equal to 10. So solution. Find the slope of first line. 4x plus 2y is equal to 16. So 2y is equal to 4x plus 16. So divide to 2, cancel out. So bilhin si y is equal to negative 4 over 2x plus 16 over 2. So y is equal to negative 2x plus 8. Our slope of number line is negative 2 and our b is 8. So find the slope of second line. 8x plus 2y is equal to 10. So 2y is equal to negative 8 plus 10. So cancel out, bilhin si y, 2, and negative 8 over 2x plus 10 over 2. So y is equal to negative 4x plus 10. 10 divided 2 is equal to 5, and negative 8 divided 2 is equal to negative 4. Therefore, our slope of second line is negative 4 and our b is positive 5. The two given equations are not parallel or perpendicular. So, mo siya ang iyang graph sa number 3. Di siya perpendicular, di po siya parallel. Mo siya ang graph sa number 3. Next of this, the number 4, 3x minus 6y is equal to 18, and 6x plus 3y is equal to negative 12. So, here's the solution. Find the slope of first line. So 3x minus 6y minus is equal to 18. So 6y is equal to negative 3x plus 18. So divide into negative 6, cancel out. So nabilin si y is equal to negative 3 over negative 6 x plus 18 over negative 6. Therefore, y is equal to 1 over 2x minus 3. 18 divide negative 6 is equal to negative 3. So our slope of first line is 1/2 and our b is negative 3. And find the slope of second line. 6x plus 3y is equal to negative 12. So 3y is equal to negative 6x is 12 over divide of 3, cancel out, so bilhin si y. Therefore, 6x minus 3 over 3 minus 12 over 3. So y is equal to negative 2x minus 4. So our slope is negative 2 and our b is negative 4. This implies that the two given solutions are perpendicular. So here's the graph of number 4 question. So perpendicular siya. Number 5, 5x plus 7y is equal to 35, and 2x minus 3y plus 18 is equal to 0. So solution, find the slope of first line. 5x plus 7y is equal to 35. So 7y is equal to negative 5x plus 35. Cancel out, so bilhin si y is equal to negative 5x over 7 plus 35 over 7. So y is equal to negative 5 over 7x plus 5. Therefore, our first loop line is equal to negative 5 over 7, and b is equal to positive 5. Find the slope of second line. 2x minus 3y plus 18 is equal to 0. Negative 3y over is equal to negative 2x minus 18 divided to negative 3, cancel out, bilhin si y is equal to negative 2 over negative 3x plus minus 18, negative 18 over negative 3. Therefore, y is equal to 2 over 3x plus 6. So our slope is 2/3 and our b is positive 6. This solution shows that the two given solution or equation are not parallel or not perpendicular. So look at for the graph of 5. So mo ni ang graph sa 5. So now second so test 2. Find the equation of the line given the following properties in the graph equation. Passing through the point of 6 over 10 at 6 and 10 and parallel to the 16x plus 10y plus 12 is equal to 20. Solution. The second line will pass through the point of 16 and 10. Therefore, the given is 0.6 ordered pair of 6 and 10. So x sub 1 is 6 and y sub 1 is 10. Find the slope of the line of the first line. 16x plus 10y plus 12 is equal to 20. So 10y is equal to negative 6x minus 12 plus 20. So, i-divide check 10, cancel out, mabilin si y. Therefore, y is equal to 16x plus over 10 plus 8 over 10. Ganun na 8 pa siya, kaya negative 12 plus 10. Kaya ang positive 12 becomes to negative 12. Kaya naman siya sa left side, balance siya sa right side. And then, y is equal to negative 8 over 5 x plus 4 over 5. Therefore, our slope is negative 8 over 5 and our b is equal to 4 over 5. Find the equation of the parallel of second line. So, formula, y minus y sub 1 is equal to m sub 1 open parenthesis of x minus x sub 1. Y is equal minus 10 is equal to negative 8 over 5 open parenthesis of x minus 6. Therefore, y minus 10 is equal to 8 negative 8 over 5 times x is equal to negative 8 over 5x. Negative 8 over 5 equal to plus 48 comes to positive 48 over 5. Because to move into a general equation, therefore 8 over 5x plus y minus 98 over 5 is equal to 0. So, we are going to express the general equation of the parallel line to slope-intercept form to the check of the second line has the same slope with the first line. So 8 over x plus y is equal to 98 over 5 over 0 is equal to 0. So y is equal to negative 8 over 5x plus 98 over 5 is the slope-intercept form. Therefore, our slope is negative 8 over 5 and our b is 98 over 5. Based on the solution, the first and second line has the same slope. Therefore, the second slope is parallel to the first line. Muna siya ang graph sa number 1. Question number 1. So, parallel siya. Nakita na kuha na to. And then, sa number 2, passing through the point of negative 4 and 7 and parallel to the equation connecting the point of 2 and negative 9 in ordered pair of negative 3 and 5. So, solution. X sub 1 is equal to negative 4 and y sub 1 is equal to 7. Find the slope. So, first point is the 2, 1 of negative 2 and 9. Therefore, x sub 1 is 2 and our y sub 1 is negative 9. And our second point is negative 3. So, our x sub 2 is negative 3 and y sub 2 is positive 5. So, slope, this is the formula of slope, m slope is equal to y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, 5 minus negative 9 over negative 3 minus 2. So, this is the result. The slope is equal to negative 14 over 5. And y is equal to, sa slope of intercept, y is equal to m slope x plus b is negative 9 is equal to negative 14 over 5 times 2 plus b. So, negative 9 is equal to negative 28 over 5 plus b, and negative 9 plus 28 over 5 is equal to b. So, negative 45 plus 28 is equal to 5 is equal to b. Therefore, our y-intercept of b is negative 14 over here, y is equal to negative 14 over 5 minus 17 over 5. So, therefore, our b is negative 17 over 5. So, for the formula, y minus y sub 1 is equal to m, open parenthesis, of x sub minus x sub 1, y minus 7 is equal to 14 over 5, open parenthesis, times 6 minus negative 4, and y minus 7 is equal to 14 over 5x minus 56 times over 5, and y is equal to negative 14 over 5x minus 56 over 5 plus 7. So, add this one because the same sila, pareha. 4 is equal to negative 14 over 5x minus 21 over 5. This is the slope-intercept form. So, our slope is negative 14 over 5 and our b is equal to negative 21 over 5. So, this is the graph of number 2. So, parallel siya. Parallel line. Now, we move to number 3. Passing to the point 5 and 5 and perpendicular to the line of 4x minus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. Solution. First point is 5 and 5 is equal to x sub 1. So 5 or y sub 1 is 5. And our first line is 4x minus 6y plus 24 is equal to 0. So 6y is equal to 4x minus 24. So to cancel, to divide, same sila, negative 6, cancel out, bilhin si y is equal to negative 4 over negative 6x plus 24 over negative 6x is equal to 2 over 3x plus 4. Now, the second line is y minus y sub 1 is equal to 1 over m, open parenthesis, times of x minus x sub 1. Y minus 5 is equal to negative 1 half, negative 1 over 2 over 3 times x minus 5. Or y is minus 5 is equal to negative 1 times 3 over 2 times x minus 5. Or y is equal to 5 is equal to 3 over 2, negative 3 over 2x plus 15 over 2. And 3 over 2 x plus y minus 5 minus 15 over 2 is equal to 0. So, same sila. Subtraction 2. So, the result is 3 over 2x plus y minus 10 minus 15 over 2 is equal to 0. And 3 over 2x plus y minus 25 over 2 is equal to 0. Therefore, the lines are perpendicular because of the product of their slope of 2 over 3 open parenthesis of negative 3 over 2 is equal to 1. Express the y is equal to mx plus b. 3 over 2x plus y is equal to, minus 25 over 2 is equal to 0. So, y is equal to negative 3 over 2x plus 25 over 2. So, our second slope is negative 3 over 2 and our b is 25 over 2. So, this is the graph of number 3. So, this is the perpendicular. So, this is the graph of number 3. And next, number 4. Passing through the point of 6 and 0 and perpendicular line connecting the point of negative 4 and negative 1 and negative 1 and positive 4. So, solution, find the slope. So, first point is negative 4 and negative 1. X sub 1 is equal to negative 4 and y sub 1 is negative 1. And point second is negative 1 and positive 4. And x sub 2 is negative 1 and y sub 2 is positive 4. So, m is equal to y squared, y sub 2 minus y sub 1 over x sub 2 minus x sub 1. So, our slope is equal to 4 minus negative 1 over negative 1 minus negative 4. So, the result is of our slope is 5 over 3. So, y is equal to mx plus b. So, negative 1 is equal to negative 20 over 3 plus b, and negative 1 plus 20 over 3 is equal to b. So, negative 3 plus 20 over 3 is equal to b. So, the result of b is equal to 7 over 3. So, muna siya ang slope of intercept form. So, muna siya ang graph of perpendicular line sa number 4. Next, number 5. Find the equation of the line passing through the intersection of the lines 5x plus 8y is equal to 40 and 2y minus 4y is equal to 8 and perpendicular to the line connecting the points of 2 and 7 and 4 and negative 3. Solution. Express the standard form in slope-intercept form. So first line, 5x plus 8y is equal to 40. So 8y divide into 8, so cancel, so become to y is equal to negative 5 over 8x plus 5. This is the slope-intercept form. So our first slope is negative 5 over 8 and our b is equal to 5. While our second line is 2x minus 4y is equal to 8. So negative 4y is equal to negative 2x plus 8 divided into negative 4, cancel out, bilhin si y is equal to negative 2 over negative 4x plus 8 over negative 4. So, i-divide siya. So, the result is y is equal to 1 over 2x minus 2. And this is the slope of our slope. Our second slope is 1/2 and our b is negative 2. So, this is the slope-intercept form. So, this is the graph of number 5. And sa of our number 6, find the equation of the line passing through the center of a circle whose endpoints of its diameter is at 2 and 1 and 6, or the pair of 6 and 5, and parallel to the line of 15x plus 5y minus 20 is equal to 0. So here is the solution. Let P be equal to 2 and 1 and 0 equal to 6 and 5 and find the midpoint from P to 0. So our first point is the pair of 2 and 1, so our x sub 1 is 2 and our y sub 1 is 1. And our O is 6 and 5, therefore our x sub 2 is 6 and our y sub 2 is 5. So, this is the solution, this formula of midpoint. M times x sub 1 plus x sub 2 over 2 and y sub 1 plus y sub 2 over 2. So, M is times 2 plus 6 over 2 and y plus 5 over 2. So, our M is 8 over 2 and 16 over 2. Therefore, our midpoint is 4 and 3 is our coordinates of the midpoint from P to 0. So the second line will pass through the point of 4 ordered pair of 4 and 3, or the center between endpoints of 2 and 1 and ordered pair of 6 and 5. Find the slope of first line. Our first line is 15x plus 5y minus 20 is equal to 0. 5y is equal to 15x plus 20 over 5. So cancel out, divide to 5. So bilhin si y is equal to negative 15x over 5 plus 20 over 5. And the result of this is y is equal to negative 3x plus 4. So this is the slope-intercept form. So our slope is negative 3, our b is 4. And find the equation of parallel line of second line using the point slope formula. So using the point slope of formula, y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1, and y minus 3 is equal to negative 3 times x minus 4, and y minus 3 is equal to negative 3x plus 12, and y is equal to negative 3x plus 12 plus 3. So same sila, i-add silang duwa. So the result is y is equal to negative 3x plus 15. This is the slope-intercept form. Therefore, our second slope is negative 3 and our b is 15. So this is the graph of number 6, the parallel line. And next, number 7, find the equation of the side of a triangle as shown to the given figure below. So solution, the slope point 1 to point 2, second point is 2. So y y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus 1, and y minus 4 is equal to 2 times x minus 6, and y minus 4 is equal to 2x minus 12. Negative 2x plus y minus 4 plus 12 is equal to 0. So, i-add silang duha. So, the result is negative 2x plus y plus 8 is equal to 0. So, negative 1 siya. So, i-multiply ito siya of negative 1 to become positive. So, positive 2x minus y minus 8 is equal to 0. So, this is the general equation. And the slope of P, the slope of P, third point and second point is negative 2 over 11. So, y minus y sub 1 is equal to m times x minus x sub 1, and y minus 6 equal to negative 2 over 11 times x minus negative 5. Y minus x is equal to negative 2x equal to 11x 10 over 11. And multiply to 11, so cancel, become to 2x plus the result of this is 2x plus 11y minus 66 plus 10. So add this one, 2x plus 11y is equal minus 56 is equal to 0. So this is the general equation. And 2x plus 11y is equal to 56. This is the standard form. Therefore, this is the graph. So this is the graph of question number 7.